In this video we show which settings need to be made when starting Studio. We now start the application. When you start it for the first time, a dialog automatically opens in which the data storage is defined. Under Data Storage, select the directory in which Studio stores the node data. Note that the data storage must be located on a local drive. Network drives are not supported. After selecting the storage location, Studio automatically creates an empty database named Intersections. In the same dialog, the data storage can be moved to another location later, or a backup copy can be created. We now make a backup copy and assign a new name to the file, here with a date reference. In the data storage you can now see two files, the actual database and its backup copy. The tooltips behind the icons have additional explanations. As soon as the dialog is closed, you get back to the login mask. In some companies, a proxy server must also be configured to access the application. The corresponding IP address can be entered under the user settings. Numerous other settings can also be made there, but they can be adjusted at any time while working with Studio. Back on the login mask, you now may enter your personal access data that you have stored during registration. After successful login, Studio opens with the intersection overview. If a different Studio flavor than Cherry is desired, this can be requested or purchased through our support or sales. And now we wish you every success in creating the first VS Plus supply.